My name's Carl. I'm the plastering tutor for Access Training, and I teach the Level 2 Diploma in Plastering. I've been plastering now for the last 20 years plus, but teaching for the last 10. So I've always been in and out of plastering for a long time. It's just changed really. I've been plastering, like I said, for about 10 years. A job came up the road from where I live, and I've been there ever since. Well, Les Underdown, who was the director at the time, was the manager in the old centre. I had a phone call off Les, they needed a plastering tutor, and I'm here 8 years later. So the first part of the course is mainly about trowel skills. So they'll do a lot of external rendering first, a couple of weeks, where they learn how to apply the scratch coat, different types of beading, and then they move on to the finish coat then, which is the floating coat. After the first couple of weeks of external rendering, they move on to screeding of floors. That's when they learn how to do a level floor and then one with a fall in it. So it'd be like doing a wet room, things like that. After that, then they move on to the dry lining, where they learn how to fix boards, the stud work and block work. And then the last couple of weeks is the finishing side of it with all the skimming. Some people will come in and do a course where they might have bought a bit of property, and to save themselves some money, they plaster it themselves. But then there's also some people who just want to change their career. So it varies on the person. To be honest, it's for anyone. As long as you're a hands-on person, and you don't mind getting dirty and you don't mind a bit of graft, go for it, because you can come in, you can do a 1 week's course, learn how to plaster some walls. Before you know it, you've saved yourself a few £100 by plastering out a bedroom or a little bathroom or a little kitchen. Or if you want to change your career, it's entirely down to you how far deep you want to go into it.